Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 4th to the 18th. And this is what we're forecasting the pattern to look like. This is GFS with the models of good agreement. We have our upper low here that settles near the Aleutians. We have a ridge here over the eastern Pacific, but at times builds into the west. And we also have a ridge here over the western Atlantic and covering the east. And here you can see we have a positive tilted trough here across much of the country. Now, a system will be moving through the east. Well, first we're going to talk about this system. All right, Wednesday, we'll have a cold front moving through the east. You can see it right here. This is GFS, rain. Then we have this cold Canadian high pressure system building southeastward. And this will bring colder air back after a brief warming trend here in the east. But you can see here's Tuesday, Wednesday, then it comes to Wednesday night. Now we think there will be ice, could be a considerable amount of ice here across the lower Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley, rain further to the north. Then we come to 6 p.m. on Thursday, 7 p.m. on Thursday. You see we have ice or mixed precipitation moving into northern New Jersey, into southern parts of New England. And then we come to 7 a.m. Friday. Now we look like we have a lot of ice occurring here across this region, anywhere from the Tennessee Valley into the Mid-Atlantic region. So this has to be watched. It's a couple days out. But one thing for sure, that it'll be getting colder again. Now, further to the south, there'll be heavy rain occurring with this cold front here across the southeast. Now, as we go into the weekend, the pattern gets a little more complicated because here we have several northern stream systems and energy rounding the ridge in the west. And here we can see we have a low near the Carolina coast, and it depends on the interaction of these two. But you can see we have snow moving in to this region come the weekend on Sunday. Then on Monday, it kind of moves out, mixed precipitation here. And then we have another system moving across the northern states, bringing a cold front eastward. And elsewhere, going to go back here. We'll have several systems moving into the west, bringing precipitation and mountain snows to the northwest, northern Rockies. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for February 9th to the 13th. And we have the eastern ridge builds into the west. You can see we have this trough here extending from this upper low over northern Canada. So overall for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies near 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation much of this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, and above normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is near 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for February 14th to the 18th. And you can see our ridge here now is over the Gulf of Alaska. You can see we have a ridge here extending across much of the nation here. So I think models are good agreement, though. Some of the models showing major warming going around here. But I was looking at the other models, and I disagree with that. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region, and anomalies are forecast to be near 6 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures for much of this region here. We have to see how this goes as we look into tomorrow. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So this is the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 4th to the 18th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.